You're cruising through West Michigan. Boom, you hit a pothole the size of Lake Michigan. But guess what? Your 2017 Ford Explorer XLT just laughs in all-wheel drive. You roll up to Wesco for a slushie, remote start flexing, heated mirrors defrosting, feeling like a boss. Navigation locked in, blind spot monitor, watching out like your nosy neighbor Carol. Third row seating, yeah, even your cousin Kyle can come. If he behaves. Then boom, beach time. Beach and sand everywhere. But you got split folding seats, rear view cam, premium sound. This is basically the Swiss Army knife of SUVs. Call Laird Sales and Service in Muskegon, Michigan to learn more.